Morning, Dumont. This is part 2 of yesterday's presentation, very impromptu. I just want to quickly explain to you a little bit more about what we do. Firstly, we have with us what is known as our CSI kit. Basically, we take this to all the clients' place and we do an on-site test for the client just to prove to them that our IAQA technology works. It comprises of Canomax particulate scanner that measures from 0.3 microns to 5.0 microns. We've got what is known as an air ion counter that measures the negative ions in the air. And you must be quite familiar with this, the VOC meter, the same thing you saw on the wall the other day. We've also got a tabletop version of this. And of course, we measure the O3 levels, the ozone levels. These are all parameters that need to be checked when you talk about OSHA and DOSH requirements for indoor air quality. Now, yesterday, Ian, would you care to follow me, please? Yesterday, we had showed you our ICU 200, which is a commercial unit installed in factories and hospitals, labs, so on and so forth. Now, today I have deliberately shut it off because our VOC levels have reached very good levels. The counter is, the reading is at 4.8 parts per million and the display is green. We have a smaller unit called a 767-A Clean Nature that basically does a little less than what our ICU 200 can do. It's more a home unit or meant for a small operating theatre. I'm going to open the unit to show you what's actually inside the unit. And I deliberately picked one that is contaminated to show you that in spite of it being contaminated, it still does a wonderfully good job at sterilizing the air. Now, the first part of it will comprise of a HEPA filter with a MERV rating of 16. Okay? And the second part of it will be an active carbon to remove all the VOCs. I think you can hear the active carbon inside. And we've got a PCO filter to kill all the bacteria. And to further enhance the ability to kill bacteria using a PCO filter, we have here with us 2 UVC lights incorporated inside the unit. Now, the reason why I'm going into the details of showing you what's actually inside the unit is so that you have a better understanding on how our machine differentiates itself from what's commercially available in the market. And I won't go into detail by telling you which units I'm referring to because there are legal issues that I need to consider during this presentation. However, I'm going to demonstrate to you how effective the equipment is by using our particulate scanner. Let me just set this up properly first. I put back the cover. There you are. And I'm going to power on the unit. Okay? I'm going to set it at maximum speed. The reason being because we're going to do a very quick 1-minute test. So I'll set it to 5. Okay? The sound has been disconnected because the machine actually tells you when the air is contaminated. We remove that sound function. The VOC is on. The negative ions is on. And the filtration has been set at mode auto. In other words, it knows when to shut on and switch on when it's necessary. Shut down or switch on when it's necessary. Now, we take our particulate scanner to the client and basically we turn it on. I'm going to power it on. Okay. I pick for a single measurement mode, start. It tells me it's ready to start, and I press start again. It says wait, meaning to say it's calibrating the air right now, so it's going to take another 3 seconds before it's finally ready. Okay, now as you can see, it's ready to count the air. I'm going to switch off this machine and I'm going to take the air quality here for 1 minute. Start. Can you see the digits here moving? And the timer is telling you 56 seconds, 54, 53, and it's going to move down gradually.